Welcome to Brain Vision.
So here we're going to, for part A, use equation 1528. And this gives us that the period is equaling 2 pi multiplied by the length divided by the acceleration due to gravity. This is going to be equal to 2 pi multiplied by the length of 17 meters divided by 9.8 meters per second squared. And so the period is going to be equal to 8.3 seconds. This would be our answer for part A. Now, plugging this into the moment, the moment of inertia equaling ml squared into equation 1525, we see that essentially the mass cancels out. Therefore, the characteristics of the periodic motion do not depend on the mass. So we can say characteristics, we can say mass, first of all, mass cancels out. And we can say characteristics of periodic motion, in this case, do not depend on mass. That would be our answer for part B. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.